So this is part two of who knows how many parts this will be. Hopefully just these two. But in the first part, which I streamed live on Twitch, I had um I was sorry, slightly distracted. Oh yeah, okay, cool. Just checking to make sure I'm not live. Great, good. I should not be live. Yeah, no, I'm not live. Okay, cool. So, the yeah, starting this shortly there and after from the stream. So, the first part was me get changing the repository names to 15 from 42.1 to 15.2, and then, as you can see on the screen, I had just finished doing the download in advance. Now is going to be the actual install. So I am going to turn off my mic here so that I can edit this later and speed things up. And I will be back when this is done. Oh, hey, look at that. Things finished. Woo! So, there's still some more to do because I just noticed alternatives switched me from light DM to XDM. Nope, 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 nope. Um, let's open Yast. Pray that at Yast will work. Oh, cool. Yeah, everything looks a bit more normal now. Because I want to go in and deal with the alternatives. Because XDM is not bad, but it's kludgy and early 1990s called and they want their login UI back. And light DM is a bit more user friendly, in my opinion. Yes, SDDM is the new hotness, and GDM has some better support for stuff. Let's see, do I... No, I do not. See, I just... Before I reboot, I want to make sure things are correct before before things get out of hand. So let's hit that. Is accept. Accept. Hit finish. Get into Yast. Good thing I closed it earlier. That would have been fun. Okay, so debus. Ah, there it is. It did change it. Thank God I checked this. Light DM. Stop that. Yeah, keep it at light DM. Uh, everything else here looks all hunky dory. Yeah, dairy. So, let's reboot. And most likely it's going to have things extended windows versus mirrored, but I can deal with that later. Yeah, hi Gigabyte. Ooh, 15.2 beta. Mmm, yum. Oh, how, wow. Whoa. That was fun. Doom, 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 doom. App armor. Hmm. Yay. Start job. Intel power clamp. So what is App Armor doing? Oh. Well, it went through. Yay. Yay. Wait, don't tell me. Oh, god damn it. Susa firewall. No. No, no, no. Come on. Yeah, can do it. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, hello, dark mode. Will you be my friend? Bet you anything that's going to be a whisk. Yep, that's whisker menu. Oh, well, I'll need to fix that. But it looks like everything is functioning. It loaded. I mean, this is a 5,000 RPM mechanical laptop drive we're talking about. It isn't going to be the fastest thing in the world. Still, this was a pretty good success. So at least now you know you can up from 42.1 straight immediately into 15.2, which is coming out soon. Release is coming. So thank you so very much for watching this. And until my next video or my next stream, I stream on Twitch. I try and do every Sunday around 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, but lately I've gotten really busy. Uh, or I've been posting a bit more on YouTube. So either Mondays or Tuesdays, I try and post something every week or other week. And this will be one of them. So if you like this, there's Donato links down below. Anything you can donate, either financially or from my Amazon wish list, will help make these streams better and more awesome. And with that, thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.